y'all, so welcome back. So today I have another cute, fun, simple, easy Valentine DIY. As you all know, I don't really do a lot of Valentine decorating, but I come up with this idea. I'm sure I'm not the first, but I hadn't seen any like it. And I really thought it was a fun idea. So I decided to pick up 4 more of the little Dollar Tree hearts. I've already removed the stickers off all of the backs, and now I'm going to look at them because a couple of them will need to be sanded. Like this one is kind of rough around the edges. So I'm going to get all of these sanded. There's no use in me filming that. Y'all know how to sand. And get all of them sanded, and then we're going to paint them in 4 different fun Valentine colors. So let me get them sanded and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got them all sanded. Now, my inspiration for this DIY is, y'all know the little sweetheart candies? The little hearts that have all the little messages on them, like, do you like me, hug me, kiss me, you know, all those little things. That's my inspiration. So we're going to be making a set of 4. Now, these can be used as coasters, or I even thought that you could like maybe hot glue an orange wood stick on the back and stick it in a bouquet of flowers. That's another option. But my original idea was to use them for coasters, but you know, really it's limitless what you could do with them. You could even do multiples of these and hot glue them on a wreath, you know, the wreath frame, and have you a cute, you know, unique little wreath. So what I'm going to be doing, because I only had 4, that's all that my store had was 4, which I was glad. And the colors I have picked out are Folk Art Violet Pansy, this beautiful purple. Folk Art's Magenta, this beautiful hot pink. Okay. Folk Art's Callisto Sky. I don't know if I said that. I probably butchered that, but that's it. And I'll list all these in the description box below. And then this Americana Sea Glass. And then once I picked my colors out, I then went to my vinyl and I used my Silhouette Cameo. And I did not show this part, y'all, because I've said it in the past and it hasn't changed. I'm horrible with my Cameo. I'm still learning it. I don't use it enough to like really master it. So it takes me forever to get a design the right size. I mean, I literally, you know, I play with it till I find the right one, and then I kind of write down the measurements, and anyway. But I did that. I made these. I've made Hug Me, Be Mine, You're Cute, and the grand finale, I Love You. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my hearts all these different colors, and once they dry, then we're going to put our vinyl on it, and then you could do 1 or 2 things. I'm out of Mod Podge, so I'm probably going to go outside and spray mine with that Krylon lacquer to kind of seal it so it can be used as a coaster, or you could Mod Podge it, or if you weren't going to use it as a coaster, and you just wanted to use it for like decor to stick in a flower arrangement or whatever, then you might not even have to seal it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna point the camera down and we're gonna get to painting these really fun colors.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence until I got a call.
Okay, so once my hearts have dried, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them over. I'll paint the back side, and then we'll move on to our stickers. Okay, so all of my hearts are dry, And y'all, while I was painting these, I thought of another cute idea that I think I'm gonna do instead of making these coasters. Let me show you. I have this cute wreath, and this is literally just a Dollar Tree wreath form. And this is a garland. I think I showed this last year or year before, that I got from the at-home store, and I literally just wrapped it around this. But I think what I'm gonna do, how cute would this be to like hot glue some jute twine on the back and then just place these cute little hearts all around this wreath. I think that's what I'm gonna do instead. So let's get this going, get it made. So now that all my hearts are dry, we're gonna start putting our, what is it called? Our vinyl decals, lettering. We're gonna start putting our stickers on our hearts. So I'm gonna point the camera down for you. Okay, so here are my 4 hearts. And what I did, I went ahead and wrote on the back which ones go on what color, so I wouldn't forget.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can
Now we have all of our stickers on our hearts. Now I'm gonna get some jute twine, I'm gonna hot glue it to the back, and we're gonna decorate our wreath. So as I'm waiting for the glue gun to get hot, I did wanna show y'all something that I was talking about earlier about the little wire wreath forms. I actually forgot I had purchased a 2-pack of these little these little small wreath forms. And I'm gonna point the camera down and kind of give you an idea of what it would look like if you use this. Like, let me just show you. So you could take a wreath form and you could put your little hearts in any way you chose fit to, or any way you decided to. You could put them on there, and then you could fill in the areas with like either Spanish moss or the green reindeer moss, flowers, whatever you chose to do. So this was just another little option that you could do, and I thought would be really cute. But I'm gonna do the jute twine on the back of mine. I've got 4 pieces cut out. I'm gonna hot glue it to the back, and then I'm just gonna tie them onto my wreath that already has the greenery on it. Oh my gosh, y'all, I thought I was recording and I didn't, but I literally just took my twine, laid it down, and just took my glue gun. I put a little strip of glue on the bottom of this one and then did it over the tops. And then I just, before I even realized what I was doing, I just put it all over the tops of these, just so long as it gets a good hold. And that's what I did. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna put it on our wreath.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is.
Here it is. Isn't this so cute for Valentine's Day? I love it. I love it. I think it's so cute. There's so many options for these little hearts. In my previous Valentine DIY, I made one into a coaster. I've done these, like you can put them on a wreath. You can use them as coasters. You could use them as stakes to go in, you know, get you a popsicle stick, glue it on the back, stick it in a flower arrangement. If you don't have a silhouette cameo, you could stencil it, write it on. There's just a million and one ways. And since I'm using this on my wreath, I am not going to put Mod Podge or spray my lacquer or anything on it. I'm just gonna kind of hang it up in the hall on my old window. And this is gonna be my Valentine decor, and I just think it's so cute. What do y'all think? So if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would love it if you hit that little red subscribe button. And until next time, bye y'all.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day.